Good morning, welcome to CurrencyChange Daily Market Updates on Wednesday 21st of August 2013. Regarding the USA, the dollar weakened against all of its major competitors on Tuesday. Investor concerns over potential tapering of stimulus measure by the Federal Reserve are responsible for the currency's weaknesses. Investors are awaiting the release of the minutes from the Federal Open Market Committee's two-day meeting, which are held on July 30th and 31st, which are slated to be released on Wednesday. The minutes are expected to give further hints regarding the Fed's further course of action on stimulus tapering. On Tuesday, the dollar traded between the 133.25 and 133.75 level against the euro for the past two trading sessions, but has dropped to a 6-month low of 134.50 on Tuesday. Regarding Europe, European stocks fell for a second day on Tuesday amid speculation the Federal Reserve will curb its bond buying programme as soon as next month. Also, Germany's finance minister admitted for the first time on Tuesday that Greece would need a third aid package, as a source in Athens said the sums involved in any new deal would be far smaller than previous rescues. Greece and its lenders are examining several ways to plug any funding gap that Greece will face over the next few years. The measures including using leftover funds from a bank bailout programme and previously discussed debt support measures. With regards to the UK, lenders advanced almost 17 billion mortgages in July for the UK housing market, up from 15 billion in June and 13 billion in July 2012. According to lenders' trade body, the Council of Mortgage Lenders, this gives year-on-year growth of almost 30%. The data is the latest snapshot of a rapid recovery in home buying and remortgaging activity as the housing market gains considerable momentum. The last single month in which gross lending exceeded July's figures of 16.6 billion was August 2008, when it stood at 18.3 billion. Towards the end of 2008, the impact of the credit freeze and subsequent near collapse of the banking system caused lending to shrink dramatically throughout 2009, 2010, 2011 and 2012. With the monthly gross advance figure never exceeded 13 billion. Only this year, starting in April, did the number creep past 13 billion for the first time, and then past 14 billion for each of the months May and June. With regards to Asia, Japan's nationwide department store sales declined in July after recording strong growth in the previous month. Data released by Japan Department Stores Association showed Tuesday total department store sales decreased 2.5% on an annual basis in July, marking a sharp deterioration from the 7.2% growth seen in June. Bank of Japan's Kuroda said he would not hesitate to adjust policy if economy and prices don't improve as expected in China. The Conference Board July leading economy index up 1.4% to 267.3. With live exchange rates, sterling dollar is 156.66, sterling euro is 116.63, sterling Aussie dollar 173.42. Sterling dollar is traded at 156.51 in a range yesterday. KBM run higher in recent session on better economic fundamentals and hopes for an early rise of UK rates. The euro is higher on a large shift in asset allocations from fund managers' existing emerging currencies. Economic agenda, the UK time at 11 o'clock we have UK CBI industrial, at 12 o'clock UK mortgage approvals, then at 3 o'clock US existing home sales. Then most importantly this evening we have the release of the last FOMC meeting minutes, like to be give a clearer indication of the US QE taper program at 7 PM. If you require further information, please visit CurrencyChange.com or contact us via 0207 373 2686.